Hello everyone, and welcome to the 2023 Market Outlook and Update video. I trust everyone is having an awesome start to the year so far, and I know I, for one, am looking forward to this year, both from a stock market perspective as well as personalized financial as a whole. So let's dive right in. First things first, after several months of renos and building, painting, decorating, we're pleased to announce the grand opening of our financial center in Langley, BC. It's something we as a team are really proud of. It's looking real sharp and officially open for client meetings. So by all means, if you'd like our next meeting to be in person, we can book it there. Last quarter, we had a charity campaign going as well. Our Movember fundraiser was able to raise a significant amount for men's mental health and cancer prevention. And we also had our Hockey Helps the Homeless event with a single event fundraising record of over $950,000 in that day. This was able to help the most vulnerable in the streets of the greater Vancouver area. We were even able to take down ex-Canuck Yannick Hansen's team as we won the tournament as well. So thank you again, and we look to continue this charitable work throughout the year as well. Next on the list, we're right in the swing of RSP season. This ends on March 1st, that being the last day to contribute for your 2022 income tax deduction. Many of you have already been in contact with me and taken care of this, and some will continue to call me throughout to the end of the month. Not to worry, we will accommodate. And thankfully, there's been many compliant updates in the past year. We can approve contributions, open new accounts, sign off digitally, often taking only a few minutes on the phone to complete your contributions. So a bit of a market update here. Inflation, the boogeyman of the last year, recently showed signs of slowing down. This is indicated by the recent interest rate hike of only 25 basis points. And this should be the last increase, we hope, as they look to hold the current levels and watch the inflation and employment data to point towards potential rate decreases in the future. All of the bad news of 2022 has been priced in. The stock markets have been reacting very favorably to this, and we've had a strong start to this year, especially with this recovery in the technology and international markets. And as we look to see this trend continue, our eyes are on maintaining our well-balanced approach with keen eyes on certain new areas such as the reopening of China after lengthy lockdowns, watching for the validity of this expected wave of so-called revenge spending on luxury goods as China sees tens of millions released from lengthy lockdowns and expecting to go on a spending spree. Fund managers are already implementing strategies to take advantage of this. And another positive outlook so far in 2023 is a recovery in the bond market, which had a very rough year last year. As inflation looks to be tamed, most of the fixed income fund managers have been very excited about the potential of a strong recovery in the bond markets. My number one concern would be, what if interest rates do hold steady? But what if inflation continues to accelerate? And the central banks would be required to make some difficult decisions with serious economic implications. And we want to be careful, and we're watching that very closely. So in closing, whether we need to get your RSP contribution taken care of, you just want to chat about the markets, you want an update on policies, call me, email me, or scan that QR code and book a meeting today. We're really looking forward to connecting soon. Have a great 2023 and a wonderful day. Cheers.